Hi guys, my name is Kitty. I am from Beverly, Massachusetts, and I'm taking some online classes here at UNE, mostly biochem and chemistry. My goal for this class and completing some of my science prereqs again, because they've all expired, it's been almost 13 years since I've taken classes, are to apply to CRNA school sometime in the near future. Right now, I am an RN. I work in the ICU as well as the ED at Boston Medical Center. Um, and hopefully I'll be getting to know you guys. Sorry, I'm reading off screen what I'm supposed to be saying. So, in terms of hobbies, I don't know if you guys can tell, I have a ton of plants. It's an addiction, it's a problem. But other than that, I do love gardening, reading, watching movies, love that, and then playing video games when I do have time. But other than that, I hope to get to know you guys and good luck with your studies.